Okay, happy birthday to Riley, 8 years old. First two-stroke. 50. Oh boy. Mommy is nervous, of course. Cooper, what you doing? Whoa! Hey, kiddo. It's a big stick. You don't want to run at me. Alright, here they come. I think. Maybe not. What are you doing, Sally? Yeah, very funny, stinker. Okay, Coop, put the stick down. You're making me nervous. Thank you. I'm making a movie. You gotta say something. Oh, great. I shouldn't have told him that. Oh, there he goes.
Oh my god, oh crap!